Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss again related to something on the insurance, and this is all about very important discussion. Most of the people in the might have heard about this. People are from the insurance background, people are from the financial background. They might be knowing about what exactly the concept of employer-employee insurance plan. A very important discussion, right? So employer-employee already have discussed. So employee is definitely yes. Let's say if I'm working for X company, so I'm the employee for this X company, and X company will be knowing as your employer. So X company is known as a employer. I as an individual working person, employee for this company is definitely knowing as a employee of the company. So now we understood what is employer and what is employee. So that concept we need to clear before we get into the discussion of what exactly employer-employee benefit, even an insurance plan. So typically it's known as EE plan, double E plan. So employer-employee insurance plan, right? So in this plan, typically a employer, the company. Again, I'm just denoting the employer actually going to take the policy for their employees. Now you might say, we have already discussed about the group insurance. No, this is something different. So you can go and watch my group insurance video, and then you can come back and you can watch this video so that you'll have a better clarity what exactly employer employee and what is the difference between group insurance and the employer employee. Now, typically, if I tell you, here also same concept. The employee is going to take an insurance plan for their employees, and that is typically known as your EE insurance plan, employer employee insurance plan. But there are two differences. One is the person who is working for this company and company is going to take an insurance coverage on this person. This is an additional benefit for the employer. Now let's say I'll just uh, give you a different scenario. So let's say today I'm going to join, even let's say if I'm working for X company and I'm getting let's say a X amount of salary or maybe a Y amount of salary. Maybe I may look out even for the next uh, let's say opportunity, or maybe I can go even let's say after a certain period I might even jump for let's say for XYZ even amount also I can go to the some other company. But that XYZ company may not give me this additional benefit what exactly I'm going to get from this company, like an additional insurance coverage. I hope now it is very clear. So somebody is HR, somebody is let's say owner of this company. So if they have already done fantastic, if they are thinking yes, what additional even the benefit even they can go for their employees. So there is a best plan. There is a best even like thought even they can also think. So they can even give. They can even do the leverage for their employees, and definitely employees will stay back for a long time. They are already even loyal, so they will be more loyal to work even towards for a longer period. That is one way. So the more longer even somebody is working, so definitely the productivity will be more for that company. So finally the profit will be there for the company. So that is one part. Even somebody is watching, somebody even as HR, somebody let's say from anybody from the human resource development department, or let's say somebody is the owner for this company, or maybe any kind of CEO or any kind of senior most person. So this is one way I'm just giving a thought. Second thought is I'm going to get, though I'm getting, let's say, a X salary, whether it is low, high, that is secondary. But I'm going to get the entire coverage for this insurance plan. Let's say if I stay for a certain period. So I'll tell you, if somebody is going to cover up in this plan, an employee is going to get a employee plan, employee doubly insurance plan from the employer, right? So the employer is going to pay the entire premium. Very important point. So I'm not going to pay from my pocket, though I'm getting a X salary, but on X salary I'm not going to pay this amount. This is not my liability. This is a company liability. Company is paying on my name. But the benefit, if let's say a company is going to pay, let's say 1 lakh for 10 years, whatever plan, whatever even product is available in the market, whatever insurance company, whatever the financial institute, they are offering this kind of XYZ products. So the insurance coverage will be on my name and company is going to pay the premium. So ideally, I'm free of cost I'm getting this coverage, free of cost I'm going to get this benefit. And on the maturity, whatever this benefit is coming, that will be all even in my pocket. So that I told you in the beginning. So what will happen if I'm also not satisfied, let's say for XYZ things, I'll not even look out for the XYZ company. Why? Because I'm going to get this benefit even on the maturity when I'm not going to pay the entire money. And this is coming from the employer itself. Even that is an additional benefit. So company also will be in profit, that already I have explained. And employee also will be happy. So this is a very win-win situation. So the policy entirely is going to work, the benefit is entirely going to work for the employee, and employer also is going to get the benefit. Let's say paying less, or let's say not giving any other benefit, but they are going to cover up entire employees under this. And they will stay back, they will work for a longer, they will be loyal to the company will make more profit. And out of this profit, if company is going to spend even 10%, that also they are going to get a tax benefit. So that definitely we are going to discuss some other video. But yes, this is all a win-win situation. So employee also is going to be benefited, employer also even going to be benefited. The insurance company definitely they are going to cover up even all these people, and it will be on a very even marginal cost. Even they can get even multiple policies, even a multiple even business from a multi-millionaire even companies. So think of any of the person who are the viewers when they are watching, even somebody from the HRD departments, somebody from CEOs, somebody even having their own companies, somebody even from the sales background. So I think this will be a very, very important pitch and very, very important discussion. And you can also apply whenever you're going to meet even any kind of people like this. Thanks for watching.
I know what is happening in your heart, girl.